Meaning of encumbrance.
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 Encumbrance. Encumbrance refers to a burden or hindrance that weighs down someone or something. It can take many forms, such as financial obligations, physical limitations, emotional baggage, or legal restrictions. The presence of an encumbrance often impedes progress and restricts freedom of action. For example, an encumbered property may be difficult to sell due to liens or mortgages on it. A person with a significant medical condition may be encumbered by their illness and unable to lead a fully functional life. Overall, encumbrances are obstacles that impede progress and require careful management or resolution.